Hello everyone, this is Jamie from the Red Bank Public Library. Welcome to Power Play for Adults. And even though we're saying that it's for adults, the kids could join in too, anybody of any age. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own prints. These are just some examples that I made. I tried to sort of keep it a little simple. But you could go as far as you want with it. But what you'll need for this project is a Ziploc bag, some washable markers, some water, paper, and of course paper towels. But okay, let's get started. First I'm going to show you how to make your own little cake with dandelion wishes. And something I forgot to mention, if you have stamps, that will work really well too. That's actually what I used for this. And I just used markers on this and printed on here, but yeah, I'll show you how to do that. Okay, first I'm going to start with my picture of cake. Alright, you put it right under the Ziploc bag. And I'm going to use a black marker. This is actually just a regular black marker. I made a little mistake, so the best thing about this, if you make a mistake on here, you can just wipe it off like a whiteboard. Alright, just make sure that's dry though. Okay, good. I'm just going over and just outlining the parts that I want. I just want the outline of the little piece of cake. Okay, so now we have our piece of cake. Now you're going to take your page. Alright, line it up where you want the cake to be. It seems good. And we press down. And try to go over the lines. Try press it down. And there you are, you have your print right there. And you can use the same Ziploc. All you have to do is just wipe it off. A little water, wipe it off. And just make sure it's dry and there's no residue from the previous color. Okay, so I'm going to put this up over here, bring this back over here, so I could show you how I did the dandelion. Okay, so line up how you like it. Now the stem, I want it to be a little longer than what's in this picture, so let's go down a little bit longer. And I'm going to use this magenta for the middle here, but if you have a brown, that's great. I could possibly put some little brown dots in here. I don't know how well that'll translate, but it'll give it some texture. And now for the wish. I think this time around I'm going to try a blue color because I do like how the blue turns out. And you draw a line and just kind of trace like what you need. Okay, so this is what I have here. And I take that page from there, go over here, and line it up again, and down, and you press. And if you wanted more colors in there, you could trace it again with a different color. Okay, so go back to the cake. Now, I want it to be like yellow spongy. that came out really good. There's something else I want to try. Just like on this one, I'd like to do like the little sprinkles. So, go back to the cake. Again, line it up. And press down, make sure all the edges are pressed. And then you got your sprinkles. Now I would like to have like a little wish kind of going across here. So I'm just going to quickly draw that. That's another thing you could do on here. You could just free draw if you wish. So there it is. I'm gonna put it right here. I think this would make like a really great little birthday card, little celebration card. Now let me show you how to do the stamp. Okay. I probably would need to put it in a different spot from when I put it there. So you just take a marker, then you color on top of here, and you have to make sure everything's covered. So just like the raised part, make sure everything's covered here. And I think this actually works a bit better than ink pads, believe it or not. It actually comes out clear, and you don't get those marks on the edges. Alright. Press, and look how clear that is. So that could be like your very own little card there. Now if you wanted to do something like this, like add a little blue in or something like that, we'll try that with this. That was actually like kind of a little dry brushing technique that I used. I actually just used the marker on here. And it's like a plain paper towel, wiped it. And then I went like this. It kind of gives it like a really nice look. You just kind of keep on going in and adding. I think if you do add some water, it will do a little bit more. And you could do that by just paper towel, then just kind of put a few dots. That might come out slightly darker. There we are. That was a little too light before. And you kind of just smudge it in. And you could go as far as you want with this, but I'm going to stop there. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next month on the first Saturday. Bye!